Are you looking for the best air fryers? In this video we will look at some of the 7 best air fryers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Ninja Air Fryer. The Ninja Air Fryer performed so well that you could have convinced us that both the breaded and battered chicken were fried in a cast iron skillet. Fries were good but not perfect. They didn't quite have the crunch that you get from a deep fryer or our top pick, the Ninja Speedy. However, this Ninja is about half the price of its cousin and is nowhere near as big or heavy. On the Ninja, you'll find digital temperature controls and settings for reheating, roasting, and dehydrating. More options make for more complicated controls, but it's not difficult to master the necessary steps. The non-stick basket can be washed in the dishwasher, too. It also includes a stainless steel rack for multi-level cooking. Number 2. Deluxe 6-quart Air Fryer. The Deluxe 6-quart Air Fryer delivers browned, crispy food, as long as you don't overload it. Although it's a 6-quart model, the basket's small diameter holds less food in one layer than the larger models tested. While the doesn't include digital controls, it's still very simple to operate. Turn the temperature and time dials in an intuitive, 2-step process. If you're tired of boring-looking appliances, the comes in glossy red, yellow, and aqua, as well as white and black. Even though you have to hand wash the baskets, they're non-stick and easy to get clean. Number 3. Dreo ChefMaker Combi Fryer. The Dreo ChefMaker is more than just an air fryer. It also comes with additional features to extend its capabilities, including a built-in temperature probe, compatibility with the accompanying app, and a new smart cooking upgrade. That means it can do everything from crisping up frozen fries to cooking a steak to medium rare perfection. But we did encounter a few hiccups during testing. First, the speed of this machine comes with a serious learning curve. Although we were excited that the Dreo ChefMaker churned out quick, crispy results, we were unable to follow standard air frying recipes and instead had to keep a close eye on the viewing window as the food cooked. This large appliance also comes with a hefty price tag, so it may not be a suitable option for consumers looking for a typical air fryer. Since it takes up a decent amount of counter space and requires an investment, this machine is better suited for folks looking for an all-encompassing, hands-off cooking experience. Number 4. Ninja Air Fryer XL. The Ninja Air Fryer XL is a larger version of the Ninja Air Fryer. It has a 5.5-quart basket, a worthwhile upgrade for larger portions, and an extra air roast setting, but beyond that, it's virtually identical to the smaller, and cheaper, model. That said, we weren't impressed with this air fryer's capacity. The round basket is taller but not much wider than the original version, which isn't really helpful when you're cooking foods that need to be in a single layer. When we cooked waffles in it, only 2 fit in the bottom, and the second one didn't lie flat. In testing, we found that this air fryer is more powerful than most, creating a lovely crispy exterior on foods in less time. We often needed to pull food out a few minutes early to prevent it from overcooking. We also like that this model has a simple, straightforward control panel, but it lacks features such as a preheat function and a Ma-ID cycle shake timer. You also have to manually pause it before pulling the basket out, otherwise, the inner fan doesn't stop. Number 5. Cosori Iconic Air Fryer. The Cosori Iconic 6.5-quart Smart Air Fryer positions itself firmly in premium territory, pairing polished design with strong performance. Its stainless steel body and tempered glass control panel give it a countertop presence that feels more like a high-end appliance than a bulky gadget, while a PFAS-free ceramic basket makes cleanup notably easy. Powered by a DC motor, the Iconic delivers consistent airflow for even browning and reliable crisping across proteins, frozen snacks, and leftovers alike. During testing, foods emerged golden and evenly cooked with minimal need for shaking or adjustment. It also had a smaller impact on indoor air quality than traditional stovetop cooking. Smart features through the VSync app add guided recipes and voice control, though cooking must be started on the unit. At $249, it's an investment, but one backed by a 5-year warranty. Number 6. Instant Vortex Plus Air Fryer. This sleek, basket-style air fryer features a unique clear cook window that lets you monitor your food as it cooks, a feature we absolutely loved during testing. But this appliance isn't just visually appealing, it also crisps food quickly and evenly. Everything from fried chicken to frozen fries to Brussels sprouts came out with impressively tasty results during testing. We also love how easy it is to use. The touchscreen is beautiful and intuitive, and we love that the dial makes navigating time and temperature quick and seamless. We didn't even have to read the manual to learn how to navigate between cooking mode, time, and temperature settings. This machine also boasts an odor erase filter, designed to minimize residual food odors in your home, but we didn't find it particularly effective. As long as that's not a deal breaker for you, though, this air fryer is an excellent pick. Number 7. Typhur Dome Air Fryer. The Typhur Dome isn't your typical air fryer. Its dome-shaped design means it's wide enough to fit an entire 12-inch pizza and crisp up large batches of food in a single layer. During testing, we found its unique design to be a huge advantage. Batches as large as 10 strips of bacon and 32 chicken wings can crisp up quickly and evenly. Perhaps most noticeably, the Typhur Dome works extremely quietly. We barely noticed it was on while the food cooked, and as soon as we finished our testing and switched back to a traditional air fryer, the sound pollution change was extremely evident. We also love that this air fryer has a self-clean setting that uses high heat to remove any caked-on food or grease, which is uncommon in most air fryers. Of course, the downside of large-capacity air fryers is that they take up a lot of counter space. This machine is over 15 inches wide and weighs over 20 pounds, which means you likely won't want to lug it in and out of cabinet space for each use, and it'll require a large amount of permanent counter space.